Thank you for always stopping by this channel. To our numerous subscribers, we are indeed grateful, and we promise to always bring good educational, insightful, useful, and helpful content that will help you achieve your dreams. It is no longer news that there is a workforce shortage in the health sector in the US. It is also common knowledge that there are lots of healthcare job openings. However, the challenge for most foreign healthcare workers is how to get these jobs. Applying for jobs online can be tedious and time-consuming. There are several factors that affect your ability to secure a job online. If you must secure a job online, then you must pay special attention to these factors. Failure to get these things right would affect your ability to land the job of your dreams. One of these is being able to carefully and diligently prepare a resume or CV and cover letter that are targeted at the specific job you are applying for. There are several other factors, however, due to the fact that some applicants are unable to fulfill these factors, it becomes necessary to look for an alternative way to secure a job. That is where recruiting agencies come in. A recruitment agency is a company that works as a middleman between the company looking for candidates and the candidates themselves. Recruitment agencies help take the load off employers seeking employees and also relieve applicants of the stress of searching and applying for jobs by sourcing jobs for them. So, in this video, I will be discussing some recruiting agencies in the USA that are currently recruiting foreign healthcare workers to live and work in the USA. These are known as healthcare recruiting agencies. These agencies recruit nurses, healthcare assistants, certified nursing assistants, nurse aides, caregivers, and other healthcare professionals. There are several of these recruiters. However, we shall discuss only a few of them, which are known to accept foreign healthcare applicants all year round. Ensure you watch to the end, because towards the end, I will talk about some things you must know before applying to these agencies. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do so, and click the notification bell to be notified of any new uploads on our channel. Now, let's talk about these companies. The first on our list is MedPro International. This recruitment agency has been running for 34 years, placing thousands of foreign-trained healthcare professionals in rewarding assignments within the United States. MedPro International has built a team that is focused on the successful recruitment, training, and placement of foreign-educated healthcare professionals into the U.S. healthcare system. This agency has successfully prepared and deployed to the United States more health professionals than any other staffing company. This company has an expert team that will take care of all aspects of immigration, licensing, credentialing, testing, training, and education to ensure your successful journey to the U.S. They also promise to assist once you arrive in the U.S. by providing support every step of the way. For foreign-trained nurses who they recruit to fill up other healthcare posts, they provide training and preparation courses to help them ace the NCLEX exam and also help them get into their nursing career. MedPro recruits various cadres of healthcare professionals. If you are eager to fulfill your dream of moving to the U.S., then contact them today. To contact the company, click on the Apply Today icon, and you will be redirected to fill out a form and submit your resume. The second company is Worldwide Health Staff Solutions. Worldwide Health Staff Solutions is a recruitment company with 25 years of experience in direct hire international nurse and healthcare staff recruitment. If you are an international nurse or healthcare professional looking to expand your skill set and further your career, Worldwide Health Staff Solutions will make the process simple and stress-free. The company will help you find opportunities for permanent placement with established, reputable healthcare facilities that meet your needs. Evaluate your job offer in order to make certain the offered position fulfills your financial and placement needs. Schedule an interview with your chosen employer. Coordinate the immigration process, as well as licensure and certification. This company is ready to accept applicants all year. To register with the company, simply click the Apply Now icon on the page, and you will be redirected to fill out a form and submit your resume. The third company is RSR Global. RSR Global is a one solution for all, specializing in end-to-end recruitment and providing staffing solutions for esteemed organizations across the globe. They have a team of experts in headhunting healthcare staff and staff in other sectors as well. They have offices across 17 countries and can truly identify the most talented applicants and use their expertise in identifying hospitality and healthcare careers to place candidates effectively in suitable jobs. They provide candidates with the best opportunities to suit their skills and requirements and provide CV, interview, and immigration assistance to ensure that applicants can meet their goals. They recruit healthcare assistants, nurses, and other healthcare professionals. To contact them, simply click on Recruitment and select the type of job you wish to apply for. For example, if you're seeking for a healthcare assistant job, click on Healthcare Assistant and you will be redirected to a page where you will fill out a form and upload your resume. The fourth company is Health Carousel International. Health Carousel International is a leader in international healthcare recruitment, providing healthcare professionals from all over the world the opportunity to build their careers at the nation's finest healthcare facilities in all 50 states. Health Carousel International provides life-changing opportunities to global healthcare professionals at leading U.S. healthcare organizations. They are involved in the hiring of nurses and other healthcare professionals for hospitals, companies, and other health facilities. They provide support and assistance to candidates from the time of applying for jobs, through the interview stage, relocation, and settling in the U.S. They also assist in the training of candidates and help them prepare for certifications and registrations. Leading up to arrival in the U.S. and throughout the duration of the U.S. assignment, the company's quality improvement nursing team and a dedicated international employee supervisor provide unwavering support for candidates. At Healthcare Carousel International, clinical experience is not required to land a job. There are no registration fees, they have dedicated support teams, and you can file a visa petition without IELTS, plus many other incentives. They also offer arrival bonuses and support that can help you bring your family to the U.S., and with them, you have the opportunity to choose your preferred location. There are several other companies. However, I have chosen in this video to highlight just these 4, which are currently recruiting. It is important that you note that these companies do not charge any recruiting fees. So, beware of anyone trying to scam you for jobs. Also, some of these companies receive several applications from foreign applicants, so you have to be patient to receive a response from them after applying. Now, let's talk about a few things you need to know when applying through recruitment agencies. 1. A recruitment agency cannot demand or collect a fee from someone it is helping to find work. 2. An agency is also prohibited from demanding or holding a deposit or bond from the employee, even if there is a promise to refund the fee. 3. The recruiting agency cannot direct the employer to recover the costs of agency services from the employee. 4. Recruitment agencies are allowed to charge employers, companies, for services delivered. Recruiters can charge job seekers/candidates a fee for certain services, provided these services are not directly related to the recruitment. Examples of chargeable services could include resume preparation, job skills training or certifications, etc. In such circumstances, a separate written agreement must exist that quotes the fee. However, the fee must not be charged as a condition to help the individual find work. If you are interested in using a recruiting agency for any healthcare jobs, consider contacting any of the companies we have shared in this video. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching, and ensure you subscribe and share with friends and family. Also hit the notification bell to be notified of my future uploads. See you in my next video.